Welcome to Leak Detection McDonald's Restoration, subdivision of Mitigation. Your most trusted one-stop full emergency water damage restoration services. Construction, leak detection. Plumbing, repipe, hygienist testing and clearance. Mold removal, ADU, residential remodeling, commercial remodeling, decks, flooring, cabinetry, exterior remodel, interior remodeling, architecture plans, and full reputable reconstruction of your residential or commercial property. All of our work is guaranteed with a 5-year limited warranty. We do the job right where others failed. We succeeded and we won in making sure your property is returned to pre-disaster condition. Like it never happened. Let our experts service you. We are the most trusted emergency water damage full restoration services in Southern California beach cities such as Rolling Hills, Rancho Palos Verdes, Redondo Beach, Manhattan Beach, Playa del Rey, Rolling Hills Estates, Palos Verdes Peninsula, Palos Verdes Estates, Hermosa Beach, Lomita, Carson, Culver City, Torrance, and much more. Where you can enjoy more of your time in what you treasure and value the most. While we get